Really, there's no excuse not to sell on eBay. If you have that desire to make some extra income or a full-time income and quit your job, you got to start somewhere. And I hear the excuse, I don't have enough money to start to buy products. And I'm going to tell you 3 ways that take maybe $10 and some gas to start your business. So stay tuned. It's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. If you like content on making extra money, side money, full-time money, please hit the smash button. Or no, there is no smash button. Hit the smash the like button. Because it lets me know I should create more content like this. Also, if you want to stay up to date with my new videos, hit subscribe and the notification bell. That would be so great. So I said I have 3 ways to start an eBay business. I mean, I'm not just a little eBay business, and actually the third way is the best way, and it's at the end. So keep on watching. I was in the shower. Obviously, my hair is still wet and doing its thing. And I was thinking about this, how I literally didn't have any money to start selling stuff on eBay. And a lot of people get stuck thinking they have to have a set amount of money set aside to start a business. And with reselling, that's just not the case. So my first way of starting an eBay business without any money is to sell items around your house. I know minimalism is so huge right now. I think it's been huge for like 5 years. I went through my pantry and made $300. I mean, the amount of money that is sitting around your house is amazing. It's a lot of money and stuff you don't even use. For example, I had a juicer that I had great intentions of using a lot and often, and it just kind of sat in my pantry. Well, it was missing a couple pieces, so I pieced it apart, and just the middle grinder part went for $39. So I knew right there, okay, maybe some of my stuff is missing pieces, but I can still sell the individual pieces. So initially, that's what I did to get started with eBay. A lot of people get stuck on shipping and how to ship, and that's going to be another video. But if you start collecting items around your house, and don't underestimate a cord. I've had a cord go for $30 because it's a cord to something that somebody needs, an expensive product or whatnot. Just don't, at first, look everything up. It's the best way to figure out what sells, and more items you look up, the more knowledge you put up in your head. So, for instance, sometimes I'll just look up dolls because I see them all the time at thrift stores. So I'll just look at sold comps of dolls, and sometimes some things stick in my head and I'll spot it and go, oh, I remember that doll, or I remember that glassware, it goes for quite a bit, or, you know, it just starting out in your home and looking everything up before you decide it's not worth anything is so valuable for both those reasons. My second reason is to take $10. Take $10, get your butt up early, get some coffee, leave the kids at home. If you have kids, just leave them at home. And garage sale, I have 0 problems with bringing out my phone to look at some items at garage sales. When we first started, My husband found 2 mountain biking tires for $2 a piece. That week they sold for $100. So I took that $100 and went garage selling the next weekend. And then my profits I took and went the next weekend. So between my house and garage sales, I was starting to gain some momentum. Now, I didn't use any of the money. I just rolled it back into product. That is the cheapest way to start gaining some items to sell on eBay. During the quarantine, I think resellers initially kind of freaked out because those of us that get all of our product from garage sales and thrift stores, they were suddenly gone. And the way eBay works is it favors active stores, meaning if you are going to list a couple things a day just to keep the eBay algorithm happy and they push some sales through. That's a whole other video, but I think resellers just thought, where am I going to get my product? And at the time, in March, I wasn't buying any wholesale items. So the first thing I did that very first week, I again went through my house. I had accumulated more junk in the last 5 years. Once that was gone through and listed, I really was trying to rack my brain. How do I get items? Okay, I can ask family members if they have anything they want me to sell, if they have stuff they just wanted to donate. And then it dawned on me that if thrift stores are closed and people are home, they have time and they want to go through their stuff, but they can't go and donate it anywhere, maybe they would want to donate it to me. So I put an ad out, not knowing if it was going to be successful or not. I mean, it was worth a shot. So on Facebook Marketplace, I put an ad up. I have to read it. I put, will pick up Goodwill thrift store donations. I sell unwanted used items on eBay. I donate a percentage of my sales to Make-A-Wish. Goodwill is closed and a lot of people are going through their homes. If you would like a free pickup, let me know. Any unusable items will be donated after they reopen their business. So I pushed send. I kind of felt like, when you're younger and you start, I would hang flyers because I started a babysitting business, or I made all these friendship bracelets and I went to the corner to sell them, and you didn't know if they were going to sell. It really was that feeling like, ooh, is anybody going to want to donate stuff to a stranger? I don't know. I can't even tell you, I was so busy. Actually, scratch that. Both my husband and myself were so busy. He was busy whether he wanted to be or not. I said, I have another pickup. I have another pickup. Ooh, this one's going to be a double pickup. It was crazy. I didn't get to finish yesterday. Got interrupted. Anyway, so we were so busy. We had so much stuff. And with that, we had to go through things. So there was a lot of junk with a lot of treasures, and that was totally worth it. We got stereo system equipment, brand new with tags, clothing, really nice shoes. I mean, you name it, we got it. And now that the Goodwill is open, I haven't taken down my ad. I'm still getting inquiries. People just have stuff. They don't have the time to drive it themselves. They put it out on the curb and we do a pickup. It's been a really great way to obtain product. So I hope that these 3 things help. If you have a system that you have to get product for free, or for very cheap. Share in the comments down below. Have a great day. God bless.